Ndị be anyị ekeleni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esonye anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, ekabarụ ka ị subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you.
No, ma. I told you, should I forward my email address or how do I go about with it?
No, just send me a text. Let me see, because we have a couple of you in that state doing great job. Just send me a text.
Okay.
Right, thank you. Let's go ahead.
Okay. Next person is Mazi Drake. Are you there? Mazi Drake NK. Mazi Drake. Okay, maybe he has slept. Okay. Mazi David Waha. David Waha. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. All protocols observed. I appreciate everything you guys are doing to in fighting for my freedom. My question first is with regards to Department of Agriculture. I would like to contribute a little I know about, although I'm not practically I know much, which will help our people. I would like to get whom to talk to, who can call me so that I can render my service. Then my question.
Dr. Ferdinand, are you here? Go ahead.
No, he's not.
Go ahead.
My question with regards to my ID card. I'm supposed to get my ID card when we were in Finland. It was approved and it is still approved. I have complained before. I have not received any information about it. If you go to the website, it's still approved. So I would like to know what at least the situation. If you want, I can give you the number of my card.
Is Dr. Dorothy here? Dr. Dorothy is not here, so that's the person in charge of the ID card. So you can send a text to that department.
I'm here live and direct.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. I thought you were taking a nap.
Goodness. So he was asking of his ID. We have one that has gone for printing right now. So, like I said earlier on, if you have received an email indicating that your application has been approved, in quotes, approved, then know that your ID has gone for printing. Then if you have not received any email regarding and not short of not being approved, please, and again, kindly go back to your applications, check the application, and see what you have not done right and do it right, and automatically you will get approved on your application. I'm talking about the old form, but for the new form, the same thing. Check back again, make sure your address is there, your right passport photo 2x2 is there, and also when you are uploading any, okay, there's no uploading of ID, but if you had the opportunity of uploading ID, make sure your make sure your passport picture is attached to your certificate. The same thing with the older form, because many people undocumented applicants have just sent in their certificates, maybe something like birth certificates and other identification documents without including their passport photo. So please, we oblige you to kindly go back, pick up those documents, attach your passport photo. So when we are checking your passport photo at the end of it, we'll be able to coincide and make sure that the two certificate passport photo on the certificate and the ordinary passport you uploaded at the end is the same thing.
Dr. Dorothy, please, I would like to give you my number because I have sent email, I have called several times. I just want somebody to confirm that, because has been approved before. I would say the first day it was announced. That was the day I paid.
Okay, go ahead and give the number. She will check it later and call you, please. Just do that.
The number is BSA 49325.
You know what? Because I can't carry that on my head now. There is an email here. Please, can you just email us with that?
Please, if you can take the number, I have been emailing, I have been calling.
Okay, go ahead with the number.
No way you have been emailing without us sending your reply to your email. It's not possible. So let me get the name. Let me get the number.
Number is BSA 49325.
1 second. 493.
Yes, 25.
And what's the name?
David Nwaha. David Nwabeze Uche Nwaha.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 815-847-0343.
Can I have your email better, please? Because I've been pulling my
email is LOCI Quest. That's QUEST. QUEST Quest. That's 2001 at yahoo.com.
2001. Okay.
On the website, it's still approved.
Then it has gone for printing then.
No, I just want somebody to confirm because I've been calling. Just check it. Let me know.
She will get back to you, please. Can we move on?
Okay.
Stop writing this thing you're writing on the defense.
Should I go on?
I don't know what he means by that, please. Oh my goodness. Please, let's go. Let's move on.
Okay. You have to worship it by being naked.
Okay.
David, somebody's going to get back to you, please. Let's move on. Thank you. We don't have to go there for this.
Okay, the next person is Mazin Naji Stanley Onyeka. Are you there? Mazin Naji Onyeka, are you here? He just left. Okay. Mazi Drake, are you awake? Mr. X. Drake. Oh, I think he's sleeping. Next person is Christy. There one.
I'm you hear me?
Okay.
Good evening.
No, Mazi Naji.
Stanley, go ahead. Stanley, go ahead.
Okay. Good evening, dear friends.
Okay.
Just want to thank you, Madam Ngozi Rabeze, for your good work. And I say may Chukwu keep on protecting you and the whole cabinet member that is working with you. I just want to use the opportunity and to clear something to our people, because can because in case our leader NNAMDI Kanu, I could remember that PM said that we can't take instruction from someone that is in prison. So them saying that coming together and coming out saying that this person is bring information to this one, normally they should also trace back and remember what PM said during Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case as well. So we can't take any information from someone that they are holding. So that is number one. Number two is that saying that our madam took just hijacked power. I believe that I don't think there is any other power that is higher than the COS that she's handling before. So with that power alone, she can take over from PM. So I just really want to use the opportunity and say that we should, keep on supporting this government. That if you are with your right spirit, the spirit of Biafra is in you. You are in fact in your normal dream, you will see something that is happening, because I myself, God revealed something to me in a way, because when the whole thing was happening, then I was kind of confused. I was like, okay, what's happening? I said, look, let me watch out. In my dream, God showed me that He showed me a lady. It was in that dream, it was a small girl. I PM, and it was on call, making call. Then I went to him. He just pointed a small girl that should follow the small girl. And immediately I turned, and I was the one in front, but later the girl came and the front, and I was following the girl, and many people were there, was just making noise. And I said that they should keep quiet. That is some look at the person that directed me, and everybody kept quiet. And me and the girl left. So already with that alone, I'm satisfied. That's why I can't deviate from this place. So I just say, Mechiko came and keep on letting and encourage you guys to what you work good doing.
There was. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next person, Mazi Drake. Okay, he's sleeping. Mazi Douglas.
No.
Oh, okay, go ahead. I forgot about that.
Biafra Queen. My DPM.
Yes.
Okay. My DPM, I salute.
Yeah.
I was watching on the YouTube, but when I heard that your name is Nkechi, I had to jump in to say, kudos. Because for those of us called Nkechi, and I got one ago. Whatever you give to us, be sure that it's going to be like you gave it to us. And we have to make sure it is good when you come back. Then when I heard that, when I discovered that you were born in March, I said, this is a bulldozer. So, point of correction, because I won't have no go Biafra. I won't go Biafra. We are very, very well. The Hunandi Army, because Huna Pokola men on ground. That's why they are falling back. What you call your dog is what your dog is going to answer. We are now a nation, and because we're a nation, our army are going to be Biafran armies. No more men on the ground. Because when you call the men on the ground, they tend to fall down. And we don't want that. Then I've been hearing passport. I'm not to be able to visa. We need, I need a Biafra visa. And I could remember when PM was around, he said something about the voting voting evidence that you have to keep it. I want to know if the ID department are following that direction, that you have to upload your evidence of voting that you're a Biafran for you to get your ID. Then on that of passport, I remember PM said, keep your receipt that you used to donate in this government. Because during the passport time, you have to show the evidence that you supported. Because then with the grade 1 Biafrans, when grade 2, when they mediocre Biafrans. But when they do ni compose, no to adari or. So another advice I want to give Biafrans is this. Please. How can somebody be a prime minister and acting prime minister at the same time financial secretary? That's rubbish. That's absolutely rubbish. No Biafra. No gonna football field, not jump up and down. Come on now. Who does that? Please, this is a nation. And please, DPM, because the bill of the na media. I can pass the bill. Nonsense. Because we need to get them, use them, and set an example in this beautiful government, beautiful nation that we have. It's not a nation who rob that's rubbish. It's never done. Sanity must have to take its place in this government. God bless you people. ID department, I am asking you this question. I hope you're keeping to that regulation. Our PM said, Biafra. Before you get ID.
Oh, definitely.
Your contribution before you get this thing. Then another question for the immigration department. I've never heard you people talk about that and the visa. Because if you have not done that, start looking into it because that will give us money.
Where do you want to migrate now? You're already in diaspora. So when we get home, then you start looking for where to migrate. Of course, nobody's going to leave our Biafra land to start going elsewhere.
No, people are going to come in. So how do you
saying we are ready for them.
Okay.
Just contribute and let's go.
Money, not money, go get it. Money.
Trust me. Thank you so much. Next person. Thank you.
Okay. Sister Christy, are you calling from which state?
Hello?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, Sister Christy, which state are you calling from?
I'm calling from United States of America.
What state in United States of
Texas.
America?
Texas.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You belong to our group?
Of course.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I just wanted to make sure. Of course. My admin, they will steady.
All right. All
there
right.
are some intel, some ideas, but I give
okay. No. I just want to catch you. That's what I'm trying to say. So I know. Thank you.
My dear, God bless you all.
God bless you. Thank you. Okay.
God bless you, Mama.
All right. Thank you.
Give me the link to come in.
Thank you.
All right. Mazi Douglas.
Sorry, ma. It's Nigeria speak. That just spoke.
You have no. You have spoken before. You've spoken.
I know. I just want to get something. I send my number to someone that they should help me and connect with my state, but I've not gotten any answer on that. I don't know if there's anybody.
And which state is that?
So I'm from East Jersey. I think it should be in Aludo State.
Aludo.
Allow something to say.
Okay. So can you send a text to me?
Isuzo is Enugu State. It's under Enugu State, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Adeza, can you help him then? You are in the WhatsApp for the group. That's what he's asking about.
Okay, he can send his number. Let me get his number now.
Okay.
Okay, should I get the number?
No. I say yours, please. He's in
I'm in Homeland, please. I'm in Homeland.
Oh, Adeza, are you in Homeland?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send to me. Mazi, send to me. Okay.
That's forward it to
Ngwadalụ nenu from Igbo media boy by si were wetara ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ihe na Nigeria and ihe na-eme n'ebe dị iche iche na Eastern region and unu na oke osi adara Finland and Biafran Prime Minister ka esi jide ya the update and ya bụ Biafran declaration nke eme na Finland so yiri na aka ya anyị na-ewetara n'iru akwụkwọ ka ife were ikwu gbasara maka ya bụ ihe Chief of Staff kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu kunu gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu gbasara maka ya bụ ife ngwa daalụ dị nke